mostly when you stream on YouTube, for people to watch and see the content that we do because we analyze markets. Yeah, so I want to check also on NASDAQ to know if you can check setups right away. But you have CAD, JPY. Just a minute. For people to watch and see the content that because we analyze markets. Just a minute. Yeah, the one, the 1 hour, okay, you have to know that in the market session when it starts, the first 1 hour candle is usually a manipulative candle. But Tutangaleo, you'll see very well, it's a manipulative candle before it shows you where the direction is. That's what I'm saying. That's JPY showing mostly momentum and sales. And I see myself getting out of it. Just a minute. Okay. I'm setting up this stream. Huh? Yeah. So, Essie, how are you? Are you from the Prop Farm group? Okay, right now, okay. Oh, from the Prop Farm group. Oh, nice. That's good. That's good. You're welcome, Essie. So, do you have your FP Markets account? Do you have your FP Markets accounts, FP Markets, or which one are you using to trade? Or you can't unmute. Let me see. You can unmute. Oh, you can unmute. Oh, okay. It's good at least you use FP Markets because they are so fast and good services and reliable, very, very low spreads. Like when the market opens today, the prop and other brokers, they had a slippage of about 80, that's 100 slippage. I mean, imagine you have 0.01 on the trade, and then you start with a negative 80. And FP Market starts with negative $8 only. So it's good and it has good offers. So it will be wise for you even to move to FP Markets because also copy trading is there, which I'm offering. I'm going well. Also, I have for the $150 manageable. So let's briefly talk about the market. So today, and then we'll talk about that later. Right now, London, there's nothing today. That is just that ECB president. Let's look at fundamental market, the news. So fuel is high. I know UK inflation jumps to 3.3% in March. Obvious, this will be higher fuel consumption because of how it has been going up. Okay. Trump extends his fire in Iran, setting serious fractured Iranian government. He has postponed. And that's why you see the tight correction which was done on silver. Okay. On silver, the correction. So we were here and then now it came and got us out and all that. So I'm just giving it time. But for now, I'm not trading in silver because it's back to the range, back to where there is liquidity. These are a very, very odd area. So talking about CAD JPY first, this one, I see more momentum on sales, okay? I see more momentum on sales. Yeah. Why? Because there's something called accumulation which is done in the market. So I hope you're noting this down. So there's no need for recording because it is streaming online. So I'll stop the recording. Okay. So I hope you're learning and taking some notes because this month I'm giving out a list people to get insights. Yeah. So as you can see, so learn what I'm saying. Yeah. So this is what I'm focusing. Yeah. So we have these consolidations which is happening here. And because of that, when the accumulation happens in price, okay, it's when now the price now jumps on breaking this kind of a range. It's kind of a wedge or a rising wedge, okay? And basically, you'll see, like you can see, we have lower low, higher high, and then higher low, higher high, higher lows, and higher high. So with that, which is building momentum, it broke this. So breaking the higher low, we are creating now lower low and higher lows. Okay. So after creating this, what do you think it will happen? It's respecting this zone. So we are within a range. So you might find market now coming to break or just going the opposite direction. So that's what I'm focusing to. I'm checking on this. Yeah. So this is good at least to mark your zones. In trading, you must mark your zones. Yeah. So I see myself getting out of this one trade. This is just negative $5. Others I'm just getting out because it's better at least. It's better at least to be safe than never. Hmm? Yeah. So a sell might come possibility on this area. If a sell, if buys maybe above here. So we'll be checking on it. We'll see how it goes. So let me put a notification here on CAD JPY. This is for sales. Because mostly I've seen from the daily all the way to 4 hours to 1 hour. We're on the one of the key zones here. And key zones market must do something like that. Yeah, so I've taken this week I've taken some losses. That is from silver being back to the range. I took a loss, took a hit. The others were, if I can check, this week from 20th, 22nd. Yeah, I've taken some loss also in US 100, that's Kiasi. And then also silver. US 100, I took a loss of $79. That is on a $600 account. Um, that silver, I had a loss of 279 because of the buys which were here. The buys which were here, we were at buys, but now it was not breaking this zone. So it came to this liquidity area, which is acting support. So because of that, I had to exit. And then now tonight, which was past, we thought it was going like this all the way to here down. It came out and took me out at break even. All right. Now the rest, I have CAD JPY, a profit of $18 only. Yeah, and also the WeMaster, I'm negative 3%. So checking on silver, we just give it time because it's just here, you see? It is just doing the correction now. Maybe the movement will be today because these are sell indication. These are sell indication. So, and in case of a buy, in case of now a good sell is, we'll see about that. So being London right now, and we are at 11 a.m. Let's look at the pound. So GJ, we are looking at multiple, might be buys right now. So let's see about it. Let's see. We have GJ alert. That's good. GJ alert. This is a good buy possibility because we are in a premium zone. And the premium zone is where market tends to offload their orders, making a profit because it has already bought at the lows. Some things, we learn from here, but some things is a students of Astro we learn. Let me get it extend. No. Yeah, so this is a range. And just highlight it in a way that, yeah, so we need it to break this high. We need to break this high. So pause, we are on a buy. I know these buys, we have the swing high here. The former swing high, which was the former one for Wednesday, 15th April, last week. 1 week ago, this high. So it will be nice, it will be wise when it breaks and you have a good buy momentum all the way from here. And then something like this. This is about not 1:2. And probably we might take partials here. We might risking around there. That will be better. 1:2 to that high. But we have also here, which is a former high. 1:2. These are previous highs here, which I've marked. So let's see what happens. And this buy might be good because this is a whole liquidity area. All right, this is a whole liquidity area because of equal slanted highs, liquidity zone. All right. Yeah, so let me remove this. You see, all the liquidity area must be swept or wiped. Always. Like you can see clearly also on this side, you have this demand zone which was acting support and also resistance was broken. And as you can see here, we had a layer of liquidity. Like if I use something called a fixed range volume from this low all the way to this high, you'll see there's some volume building here. You'll see. So volume must be swept and must be gathered because it's when the markets are here down to take their positions. So I don't know why, I think it's internet or something. Yeah, so from here to here. So it will load anyway at its own time. So let's see. We are supposed to break this high. We cannot take until we have a candle close around this former high. Yeah, centric. Did you take your silver?
I took it. I saw your I saw
You took the sell.
your message in the morning,
Okay,
and I was like, oh
this
wow.
one.
I was right to
Yes,
sleep. I was right to I was right to take it off before I sleep. Eh.
it was coming up fast before midnight.
Yeah. Oh my
So you took
god.
some partials.
I took some partials. I was going to bed. I said, better sleep because there are some people who don't sleep.
Abu, let me put this so that I can hear you. And also I do some settings here. You can hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you well.
Okay, let me connect this. Okay. Yeah, you were saying what?
I was saying I didn't want to to have a repetition of what happened to me sometime.
Just
I, I left a silver trade running and I woke up in the night. It had hit my SL. I was like, no, I'm not doing that again.
yeah, definitely. Yeah, so
I,
man, silver, I had left them. I had sold here. And then once it was going down, I had left at break even.
Mm.
So once it went down, I could have taken those profits. So I left at break even. I thought it was going here because my TP were here. I think your TP were here, right? This low.
But no, you see, when it went down, that first low before it made that other downer
Yeah.
low, that is where me I
Oh,
said,
this one. Uh-huh.
yeah, I said no, I want to go to bed.
Mm,
I closed it from there. I said I will not.
yeah.
So when I later woke up and saw your messages, I was like, oh my
Yeah.
God.
Oh my God. I know. Yes. Now let's look at this. GT is coming to form. It's coming to break. So it needs to break this former high. Because we can't take highs below within the range. This high is good, but this better high. There's this high here. So we need a breakout and then we do a retest. So this will be ideal. Ideal. We need to break with this candle. So this will be good for the day. Let's see. Have you been able to talk or something? Your
Yes,
mic
I've
has
been
a
able to
problem.
unmute. No, it's okay now.
Ah,
Hmm.
okay. You'll be joining us
Yeah.
on the side of FP, right?
Yes, I will. You gave me the link on Saturday.
Yeah.
I came for the meetup on Saturday, so you gave me the link. I'll register FP.
Okay.
Yes.
Good. Want to listen?
Yeah.
Want to listen to people? Oh, sorry. So no problem. Let's see about DJ because now this card pair is really doing a lot of things. Uh-huh. That's good. So I'm so glad at least you're following. So AC, you have your account for 10K?
Yes, I have. I got the email. I didn't know
Oh,
what to
okay.
do when I got the email. Yes, I got it today in the morning.
Nice. So I want to
Yeah.
showcase you how
Mhm.
to claim it.
Okay.
Let me invite also another friend who is here. Yeah. Nambura client. Just a minute.
Charles, is it being recorded?
It is on live. I'm not recording because it's live on YouTube. Streaming live.
Oh, okay.
To streaming live. Just a minute.
Jerry.
Yeah, so I want to guide people on how to do all this. Also, this is the pound. We're looking into it. Yeah, so as we wait on here, how you claim AC, you must go to You log in and then you go to this personal. Let me log in. You can see my nini, right?
Yes, I can see.
Okay. So you have to do this, go to your trading
Okay.
account. Yeah, and then in your trading capital, this section, go to the instant and then click personalized. All right. And then claim it here. It will be here. So you claim it, and then after claiming,
Personalized.
yeah, personalized, because it's personalized for you. Once it's done, okay, once it's done, now you can, there is a document you need to sign because you're signing a live account. And you understand,
Okay.
this free account, people want to understand, the free account is one of payment because it's free. It's a promotion, it's free. Once you are, let's say you have hit that 10% or whatever percentage, then you're claiming for profit share, which you're given 50% or whatever percentage, and you have maintained everything is good. Once you get paid, it gets terminated because it's a free account. It's not forever. And then you can buy or you can fund even your broker with that money. So sawa.
Yes.
Yeah. So you claim it here and then you sign the document that comes to your email.
Okay.
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 Yeah. So let's see anything that is happening on the markets.
Good.
There's what time? It came more time. April 22nd, about days at night. I'm telling you, if you know about UK, it's better you be in Africa than living in the UK. Tax is brutal there, very high. Even when you park, those taxes when you are parking your car, people pay. Like in example, like if you park in London, you're supposed to minimum is 500 pounds. You get it like after some hours. Imagine you're paying 70K for just parking. The tax is very high, even more. And houses are too high. Crazy. Hey, UK is better to go and travel off. Yeah, so CEO with over 3 trillion on our management tells Gen Z to think about probably investing $1,000. Erikai. Yeah, Trump extensive fire in Iran government. So until yeah, kabisa. Tunachana tu naye. Until such time Iran leaders and want to submit their unfiled proposal. So there is a fear of market, a risk of market. So we'll see market getting back to the range, okay? Because they're waiting for any catalyst that will happen. Yeah, Tuesday extended 2 weeks. On Tuesday extended 2 weeks. Oh yeah, it's 2 weeks extension due to the Tehran government being seriously fractured. These people are weird. I don't see that Tehran. That Tehran is part of. Is it part of? Is it part of Iran? Tehran is Iran. Tehran is Iran. Capital city. Yes. So I don't think the way Trump is saying, like Tehran is very much destroyed. We don't. They are okay. They're not destroyed or fractured. Huyu mtu anajipenda sana. Mtu anajipenda sana.
Hey, Charles, can I
So
ask
let's
something?
see. Yeah.
When I go to personalized, I'm given we fund 10,000. I click on start trading.
Yeah, start trading. Yes.
That's when the email will come.
This week has been bad. The email will come now. You sign. You'll open the email, the link, and then you sign digitally, and you write your names and all that. So let's see.
There's a confirmation
Nice.
Do I do the
Yeah,
confirmation?
guys. I'm taking this. I'm taking this. Tuchukue hii maneno mbaya sasa. Twende GBP JPY sahi. Haki ya nani kitu inaenda vizuri. Confirmation ishapigwa. So there is So just know there's something that will happen, eh? There's high and then there's a correction. So correction can take more, but once you enter right now, don't risk much kwa sababu ya nini? Correction must happen once breakout is done. Yeah. Ikadi. Hizi sasa mimi naekelea vizuri.
wakati wake.
Yeah, so mimi naekelea hapa 393.
It's logging. So password.
Kama unaekelea hapa unaongozea to 15 to 16. Unafaa kuekelea mahali kama acha niangalie low ya 15 minutes. I think around here will be better hapo. Acha tuone vile, let's see how it goes. This one, it's going high like crazy. Whereby 215 to 36, that's a stop loss.
Stop loss.
215 to 36. Then TP mimi naweka hiyo high 215.901. Unaweza weka. Eish, man. Yeah, sasa tuongoje. The next order, I'm waiting for a pullback. Ngoja hii inaweza kuwa 15 to 36. I think hapa ni better. Ngoja kidogo. Just wait. The low of 15 minutes. 15 to 36.
0.6. But 0.6.
Eh? Yeah. We change kitu. Kitu stop loss hapa hapo. Sasa sahi kama una risk, so correction ita happen to sahi. You're risking 25 pips. Ngoja correction. Eka kitu kama tunaka risk 50, It's $25. Sababu in case of a correction. Sababu imeenda high kwanza. I'm waiting for a correction on 5 minutes. Kwa sababu ndo tuingilie hapa, tuone hapa. Yeah, even there's a breaker block hapa hivi. So tuingilie hapa ndo tupande nayo sasa vizuri vile inafaa. Umekupatia? Hata chepi naweka off. Mimi nangoja correction sahi on 5 minutes. Tuone sahi ni 11:19. We have the candle closing on 44 seconds. Yeah, so ikikuja hapa just in case. Hii nini imeenda hapi? Yeah, nashindwa. Yeah. Yeah, Connie, welcome, Connie. So GJ, we are waiting for that retest. Sometimes something that is good. And once it comes, we are risking 16.7. So 16.7, this is what you use. What I'm using, 16.7. I'm using FX Verify. My baby. Connie, how are you? You are available now?
Yes, I am.
Nice one to hear you. You know, you're the mother of Astro. You know that. Welcome. So today, yes, I'm risking 5% on GJ. Hata kidogo. No, not percentage. So yeah, so for this, unafanyanga hivi, this is a risk of about 16.7. So here, I'm supposed to write 16.7 for GJ, and then the account balance, and then you just put in the risk, remember, if they're putting dollars or percentage. So me, I'm risking 5 based on my account. I'm calculating, and I'll be putting 0.18.
Oh, yeah, account level.
Yeah. 0.18. So I'm just waiting for this retest.
Account level.
Kama itakuja. Yeah.
Yeah, account level. What else?
0.18. Usikimbize market, ngoja correction. Hata nikwambie. Mostly what I've learned is always during a breakout, yes, the market will break, but the market must do a good correction now to impose fear in the market for it to buy low. So acha tuone. Yeah. So Connie, do you have an active setup already running on your side, or you're just waiting?
What?
Okay, do you have an active setup on your end, or you're just waiting for our good setup?
No, I don't have a setup. You want to give me one?
We are about to enter. So we are in CAD JPY buys, but this one is unless it breaks, but more confirmation is on the GJ. So we are waiting for this. Because we have something here called a breaker block in this area. You have something called a breaker block.
Okay.
So most likely a correction might come here.
For
Yeah,
GPP,
likely. So that now, GJ, yes. So that now, until this high is met, you can see 15 minutes. We are timing this Wednesday, 1 week ago high, this one. It will be 1:2. It will be a good setup, by the way. Yes, and remember, guys, once you make money 20% to the Astro, you send 20%. That's what that it goes like that, Connie. That money goes to Astro, and it helps with improving our services. We have like our banner, which you have seen, and that money has contributed to the people who had invested last week. Also, we are looking at taking an office. Nataka kuchukua ofisi this side of how is it called? Why am I getting why? It's along Wayakiwe, yeah. Inaitwaje? Something it's just along the Wayakiwe after Chiromo. It will be good. So a person can come, Connie can come and park your Mercedes Benz there. You enter the office. We have a boardroom. We trade together or live together in a good way instead of at cafe, because you have to start from somewhere, right? So all the contribution, it goes to that. And sometimes I usually say the contribution that comes, like example, tomorrow we are meeting, it can also pay for some coffee, which we take here. Because when you come to a hotel, at least you take something. I believe you understand now.
I've always understood you, Charles. I was just pulling your
Yes?
leg, but I was just pulling your leg.
I know. So, but together we'll go well. Otherwise, Astro Funding is doing okay. And as we wait on this, let me show you something. Not this one. It's just the master is the one which I'm down 3% because of this week. So it's crazy. Let me see the password. Let me put the password and then we check. Yeah, now you can see this week has been crazy. So I took a hit on silver a bit, but the projection has been good, a good curve. Have been a good curve. So as you can see, let's see, let's to one. So this is their 1,000. The charger is a bit low. I want that retests. Yes, naishika tu, but we will break even early. Because ikiendelea, it will give me about $50 hapo juu. Mhm. Which one? They are under CGJ, so you put just DJ. Okay, DJ. Yeah, so nilikuwa naangalia the ratings, This is offline. By the way, this for accounts with $150 and below. I'm funding it Friday, between Friday and weekend, so that now it will begin on Monday. So this for minimum $150 FP accounts. These are FP, the broker account. We have one follower. Oh, good. So it's not public. So I want it to become just for Astro only. And if you check, like 30% daily, $150 minimum balance. So if you check here, okay, Astro. Mint has been doing, it's a healthy curve, even if it's 296 being this week. So it's just this week has been super low return. So like last week plus this week, we have 338 to 298% there, or 300 and something percent. Can you say that's a healthy curve? Koni, sindio? That's a healthy curve,
Yes, it is.
Yeah, so I believe you're doing okay. It's just the risk management which we apply and put the right market. So KJPY, we took buys here. Let me take this call. Okay, let's wait. You can see, yeah? Always be patient for the market to come to you. To say me your slang, the slang of BMM, buy low, sell high. And you don't know where to buy low. Buy low, sell high. Sell high, buy low. But anyway, all in all, skills ban. So let me call this one client, alikuwa hapa na tunashindwa hapo. Kuna wapi? That one, that retest ndo hiyo sasa inakuja. Even I'll be putting it in that nini. I'll be putting it in this first one. That is how much am I putting? About 0.18. Okay, let's see. It's coming. Just wait, we just wait. So watu wengine wamefanya hivi. They have come and bought at the high. Let's look at the orders, order flow. From here to here. Cha tuone market iko wapi. Don't know kwa nini sijui kwa nini it is not showing the order flow. Maybe it's trying to calculate. Let me see on the fib. Oh, what's happening? Fixed range. Yopi itafanya. There's a problem with this. Oh, volume drop. Hebu ngoja. Let me see.
Inshallah.
Volume profile. Session volume profile.
He's acting.
Don't know what sijui kwa nini. It's not showing. So let me put some songs in the background. Cast music. As we wait. We are starting today on crypto. ngoja ndio option. Tumeingia just low risk.
Oh, yes.
Low risk. Yeah, kama naweza kama ukiangalia unaona hapa. Tengia hapa tu. Low risk. We'll see. Kaje peni imeenda.
Hiyo ndio unaona mturahisha.
Natufurahisha bana. Saa break even on KJPY. Break even. Ikipiga hizo highs, iko juu. Chapa unakula vizuri. KJPY inaenda poor, which is awesome. It's good. It's good.
Ile account ndogo.
Account ingine niligongwa. Mimi nangoja hii the new account I do GJ only for now.
Haiwezi kuja nyuma. Mimi nimeweka kwa hiyo account ndogo.
It's okay. It's okay.
Hiyo kwa niweke tu break even.
Break even KJPY. Emmanuel, umestuka kuingia ama uko ndani ya trade?
Sijaingia, nilikuwa nataka kuingia hii JPY.
Unajua naweza kosa hata kurudi. Kitu inakuwa funny.
Hiyo JPY
KJPY tunaimulika bado. Tunaenda nayo.
nimeogopa kidogo.
Hii
Wacha
ndio
niingie
wazi.
hii. Naweza ingia hata sasa hii.
Don't rush at the high. Unajua card. For card card imebreak. So ni mzuri. Unajua imebreak former high. So, sawa. So kama unaingia hapa risk yako iko kidogo, sawa? So
Okay.
Yeah. So we have ngoja. This is the high. Ngoja. Just wait. Let me put it this way. Ikwenda sana. This is supposed to be here. Yeah, so that's the higher high first. Unafaa kuchukua some partial. So kama unaingia saa hii, it's a bit late.
Okay.
It's a late.
Sawa.
Kitu moja sijui kitafanya correction, but in case unaingia you'll have to use this, then panga hapo 1:2. Just risk about 17.2 pips. 17.2 pips is about there 116,594 SL. Sawa. kama unaingia hapo.
Okay.
Jana Silver akialai. Silver did the thing. Ilikuwa mzuri, alafu inakuja inatoa kila mtu. DJ, let's see. Wacha tuone. Wacha tukiangalia hata na 3 minutes. Let's see if it will retesting. Stuck na US 30. Let me see Nasdaq. Oh yeah, I drew this and it went the same way. What? This was Monday. No, Tuesday, yesterday. I had drawn this, but I didn't take this setup. Because I was not even following it. I was not much following it. So you can check on 1 hour. What is it doing? You have this support that is there. Itabuy New York. Might buy New York. I didn't take this one. Wow. Went straight. DJ. Oh my. Imeenda. That's gone. 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 Take fanya pullback. This one doesn't want to make a pullback. So kama unaingilia hapa, hiyo ni high sana. Sababu imefanya breakout, lakini sasa there's no even pullback. Me I'll just wait. For me, I'll just wait.
Even me,
Hiyo haina break even hiyo.
I love to wait also.
I'll have to wait. Hivi linatengeneza momentum. Unaweza pata itachapa short. One major candle. Then continuation. So I'm at break even that. Break even just in case. Tunaweza piga vizuri, napiga chini. Yeah. Anything can happen.
Not to say.
Ina pump tu yani. This when it begins to pump. Aki. And then when you enter one big lot size.
Never.
Mm.
Unajua
Unajua hapa kama unaingilia hapa na unaweka hapa stop loss ama 16. Hakuna kitu hapa. 16 na 30, 33. Maybe. But buying at the high is not good. It can mess you up.
so tuachilie iende juu.
Nagoja correction. Kama kuna correction watara. You just leave it. But kitu moja tumeingia mzuri. Correction tu ndogo, ngoja tu one. Unaweza ona one huge candle, humongous candle coming down.
Mwange mara moja.
Sasa inaonyesha watu it's indicating that it's buying. Ngoja tu.
Lakini si kama ni wiki yake ndo naenda.
Sawa. Kuna week by the way. Hiyo ni rejection basi kama kuna week. Mesha break even.
Ama tufunge tu. Kae na hiyo faida ndogo.
Kwa nini?
Ama
Kwa $3.
nikirudi sitatunyorosha.
Haina shida ngoja. Tipi yako ni wapi? Where's the tipi? Ni 15.
Kama na wiki. Rudi close.
Unaweza close alafu uongoje. Because buying pale umenunulia hapa 15 minutes ni not 10 minutes hapo ngoja. This is a week. It's a week. Kitu inaweza enda juu kabisa.
Umeniwekea ya kama mimi ndo nimejifungia passion.
Bana.
Mimi nimefunga kama nifungia. Mimi ndo mali nimeweka close back nikaweka bana.
Toa bana. Toa. Funga zote ukitaka. Ama kitu moja, nani hiyo loss, hiyo loss. Da. Unajua $4 na $2 on a 10K account doesn't make sense. Hata kifungwa there is no value there. So hiyo yenye umefungua sahi, close it. Wachana hii wacha iendelee tu. Hata kama irudi nyuma it is very low. So if it's $4 on a $100 account, utaenda. That makes sense.
Thank you sasa for itasaidia.
0.4%. 0.04. Yeah. Yeah, so I'll keep you updated. Esther. Hello, Esther.
Hello.
Yeah.
Hello.
There's AC, there's Esther. Is it both?
There's
There's
Esther.
one who Esther, you're the one mwenye tumeongea, si ndio claiming, right?
Yes.
AC. Pia AC, the same.
Yeah,
WhatsApp,
both
si
are
ndio?
right. Yes. No, we didn't talk on
Yeah.
WhatsApp.
Okay. You wanted to know how to claim also, ama 10K account, ama you are joining the
Essie
session
has
to trade with
claimed.
us.
Esther
You
has claimed.
Okay, Esther, you claimed too?
Yes.
You claimed your account, eh?
Yes, I want to be shown how to claim.
Sana nataka kujua ni nani naongelesha. Unajua you have both similar names. So we just here is where you claim, eh? In the trading capital, personal, instant. Claim it there. Then send the document from the email ikikuja. Sawa? Yeah, that's it.
Jaelewa kidogo.
Nasema
Hey.
and go to the trading capital. Log in your WeMaster account. Go to trading capital. Then utaenda kwa instant and then personalized. Utaipata hapo.
Okay, sawa. Asante.
Welcome. Hii kitu nakataa bana.
Hata mimi nifanye hivyo?
Si kama ulitumia umeona kwa email fanya hivyo bana. Unaongoja.
Wacha niangalie basi.
Okay. Okay. Ngoja nione. Let me see. Me, I'm taking the highest profit. If I'm taking here, and my tip is here 33%, 69%, 33.5, 3.5. $0.23. Nachukua moja ya 5%. $0.23. Nimechukua hapa, but risking about 33 pips. Aiming for this 1:2.
Watu wataamua sasa, utaenda utakata. Basi twende twende.
Naomba shadi.
Viatu hivi hapa, viatu chukua hapa kwa nini? Kwa shura hizo zingine zitaweka huko. Ile viatu hapa kwa shura. Lakini ndio ndio kile ni sio kwa watu wengine. Ndio, mimi nataka nirudi hapo. Mark.
I've taken 0.5%. Just waiting for this correction. Oh. Oh, yeah. Ja tumechukulia hapa kibreak hapa. Sasa ikuje correct, to be nice. Ate correctia hapa itakuwa poa. Nice, bye.
Inaenda vizuri. Napiga siku yetu.
One for 4 something.
For 6. Unaona siku hizi lazima ufuatilie account, ukiweka fedha usipoichungulia ishara ina sleki unafunga, ishara imeingiza fedha nzuri.
Wow. mpaka jiji. Yeah, so let me ask a question, Essie and Esther. Yeah, I know you're using FP markets. Now, some of you also want to plan to weke pesa. Some of you already have a 10K account. Yeah,
Yes.
so are you willing to join the Astro course masterclass in Endelea Forex so that you learn? Because skills are important. So what's your plan, starting with Esther? The first Esther, the muted one, muted person. Hello, what's your game plan in trading and Astro? You can start with AC. Oh, okay. Sema.
I'm planning to join the class.
Tulikuwa na wewe on Saturday. Was it Saturday?
Yes,
When?
Monday.
Okay. Yes. Sawa. When is that
Alafu,
installments coming? Utaniambia kwa chunyu umeattend. Sawa.
alafu hapo kwa
Tell me.
kuclaim
Mm.
hai inakataa ama nitasemaje? Wacha ni screenshot nikuonyeshe.
Enda ni kama una purchase. Sawa. Okay.
Ama niseme start trading.
Yeah, start trading hivyo tu.
Oh, sawa.
Yeah, how about AC?
I'm planning to join Astro. But
Okay.
right now I'm busy. I'm moving houses. I'm moving jobs this end month. So let me settle
Yeah.
down and then I'll join. And I'm also shifting the
Okay,
kids to a
sawa.
new school. Yeah.
Oh, yeah, it's
Like
it usually takes a lot of
relocating.
finances.
Yeah, then I'll join. But I'm in for it. I like it.
Oh, nice. That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. So whatever you may, so you're welcome. And also remember that until 29th, okay? 29th, right now you have an offer, right? Let me refresh.
Okay.
We have an offer of that $200. That's 20,800 with an offer. 20% is valid until, it's valid until 29th. So right now when you purchase either the 20,800 or the 13K, that is in 2 months installments, you get that offer. No, Saiko unalipa, let's say installments ya 13. Until 29th, now it will go to $299 per. It will be mostly per year bado, which I'll give until the offer until next month, $299. $299 about. Then it for now until 29th, it is either you pay 20,000, which is when you do this, you put the coupon. When you put the coupon, it will be 20,800. Or if you want to purchase using the installments part, right? Beginner Forex, then you proceed. When you do that, to use it will be 10,400. So until 29, it will go to $299. $299 times 130, that's 38K. So 2 months installments divided by 2, 19,000. That's known it's an offer until 29th, which is next 1 week from now. So it's better at least you take mapema so that you enroll, and then the next one also it will be an installment on the side. Yeah, 299 will start on 29th. The offer it will be half of it.
Ending when?
It is starting from 29th. This offer is going until 28th. No, 29th onwards. Itaenda hivyo. So it will be onwards per year. And then now from let me take this call, by the way. Someone is calling me. Hello. Yes. Hello. This one is going high, so I took one order here. Hello. Yes. Sorry. You are saying what? You're asking what? Let's see.
I was asking the 299 is up to when?
Okay. It is 29th onwards. There's no going down. That is when a person comes from once when a person pays from 29th, it will be going all the way even next month. Now, within this month, that is this April until August, it will be 299.
Okay.
So
Yeah.
at a certain level, it will be 299 for 3 months. But for now, it will be for this moment from 29, it will be 299 per year.
Okay.
Sawa.
Yes, I've understood.
So jipange uangalie, sawa.
Okay.
Yeah, so I don't see that a pullback here. So mi naona nimechukua your buy already. And I'm already in and I've made my targets. The target that I've put for here, this entry, I've put it here. This is the 216, 286. I just risked about 0.5%. Let's say 10K. That's like you can risk $5. $10,000, that's 50 USD. So that in any case there's a pullback, can be able to earn target. So thank you. I think we stop there. I'll be sharing this to the inner circle because what you get is what the value is. Imagine when you're up and you're part of Astro. Let me show you this. I hope you can see, yeah? Can you see what's up? Munaona what's up?
Yes,
Yeah?
we can see. Yeah.
Sawa. So you'll be able to get in the paid group. You see here, I share setups plus targets, you see, and the reason behind it. So you get access also to this group. The setup, the target, and all that. So like this one for GT, I haven't sent yet because I was waiting, but I'll be sharing. So all these setups they usually get, and also time to break even, time to close, targets met, all that. And then when you come here on trading meetings, this for members only. They get these meetings for the private session sometimes. Even it's just this month I'm giving out also to the group, the group, prop group. And also they get access to what? There is the masterclass, the crypto is starting, and there is the FX masterclass here. All right, you can see the timetable is here and all these Zoom calls with recording. So you have a lot of things, and also you have copy trading in the AUM person who verifies comes in, and I think Nani should be in here. Okay, Ganga should be here. Mganga. And also, some people have already joined the copy trading on FP markets. Sawa. Angalia vile inaenda juu. So thank you so much. So it has been a good session, right? Let me put it off. What can you say about this? session for today. Have you learned something?
Yes,
Hello?
we have learned this, AC. There's
That is
something
good.
I
That is
wanted to
good.
ask, Chan.
Yeah?
There's something I wanted to ask, huh?
Yeah.
If we refer somebody to you, somebody who is maybe a Forex trader or interested in trading, is there a general group maybe
But let
you
me
can put?
connect this so that I can hear. Well, let me connect this.
Okay.
I've removed the Bluetooth so that I can hear you properly.
Okay.
Just kidogo.
Okay.
Okay, now I can hear you.
Okay, I was asking, is there a group that maybe when we refer people like the general one, you can put people there, even if they're not purchasing now, maybe after they stay for a while, they will get interested. Because like me, when you were in BMM, I had entered for a few months and I was doing nothing, just watching. When those people watch for a while,
Okay.
they end up getting in.
Yes, you have that group. The group is here. The trading group. This has many people. Do you remember the group which I had? Yeah, the one for this
So
one,
we
the
can
trading
send
group
you the
has
numbers
over
you put
300
there.
people.
We can send you the number you
Yeah,
put
just
there.
share. Yeah.
Okay.
Let me do this.
Mhm.
Let me send it to. Can I send it to the group for the group? Yeah, pro. And then I say, yeah. So whoever person you have friend, you can send him to this link so that you find it here. So.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, sawa. Do you? Sawa.
Okay, I've got it.
So that's good. That's good. So let's see how we do it, and also we'll be talking. Thank you so much. Have a